Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Emily and George.
Today's lesson is going to be fun, interactive, and challenging.
That's right.
We're not teaching a normal lesson today.
Instead, we're going to test your English.
We have prepared 30 English questions.
Some are easy,
Some are tricky.
and some might surprise you.
Here's how the quiz works.
We will ask a question.
Then we'll give you a few seconds to think.
Try answering before we reveal the correct answer.
Keep track of your score.
1 point for each correct answer.
At the end of the video, tell us your score in the comments.
Ready?
Let's begin.
Complete the sentence.
I dash a student.
Is it
A, am,
B,
is,
C?
are.
Think carefully.
The correct answer is A.
I am a student.
Great start.
What is the opposite of big?
A, tall. B, short. C, small.
Your time starts now.
The answer is C, small. Which word is a color?
A, apple.
B, blue.
C, table.
The correct answer is blue.
Easy enough. Complete the sentence. She dashed to school every day.
A, go.
B, goes. C, going. The answer is B. She goes to school every day. Which word means happy? A, sad. B, angry. C, joyful. Correct answer? C, joyful. Which sentence is correct? A, he don't like pizza. B, he doesn't like pizza. C, he not like pizza. The answer is B. What is the plural of child? A, child's. B, children. C, children's. The answer is B, children. Which word is a verb? A, run. B, chair. C, blue. The answer is run. What day comes after Monday? A, Sunday. B, Tuesday. C, Friday. The answer is Tuesday. Complete the sentence. They dash watching TV. A, is. B, are. C, am. Correct answer? B, are. Choose the correct sentence.
A, I have seen that movie yesterday.
B, I saw that movie yesterday.
C,
I seeing that movie yesterday. The answer is B.
what does borrow mean?
A, to give something.
B, to take something temporarily?
C, to throw something away. The answer is B. Which word is spelled correctly?
A, beautiful.
B, beautiful.
C, beautiful.
Correct answer?
A,
Beautiful. What is the past tense of teach?
A,
Teached. B, taught.
C,
Teachin'. The answer is taught. Which sentence is correct?
A, there is many people here.
B, there are many people here. C, there be many people here.
The answer is B.
What does hungry mean?
A, wanting food.
B, feeling tired.
C, feeling cold.
The answer is A. Which word is a synonym of smart?
A,
Intelligent. B, weak.
C, slow.
The answer is intelligent. Complete the sentence.
If I dash rich, I would travel the world.
A, was.
B, were.
C, am.
The answer is B.
Which sentence sounds most natural?
A, how old have you?
B, how old are you?
C, How age are you?
The answer is B. What is the opposite of success?
A. Failure.
B. Victory.
C. Progress.
The answer is failure. Great job, everyone. We've reached question 20. How many answers have you gotten right so far? Keep counting your score. Things are about to get more challenging.
Welcome back, everyone.
It's time for the advanced round.
These questions are more challenging. Let's see how well you know English. What does the phrase break the ice mean?
A. To destroy something made of ice.
B. To start a friendly conversation.
C. To feel cold.
Think carefully.
The correct answer is B.
To start a friendly conversation. Example: George told a joke to break the ice. Choose the correct sentence. A. Neither of the students are absent.
B. Neither of the students is absent.
C. Neither students is absent.
The answer is B.
Neither of the students is absent.
What does once in a blue moon mean?
A. Every day.
B. Very rarely.
C. Every month.
The correct answer is B.
Very rarely. Example: I eat fast food once in a blue moon.
Which word best completes the sentence?
The movie was so blank that everyone stayed until the end.
A. Boring.
B. Fascinating.
C. Ordinary.
The answer is B. Fascinating.
What is the synonym of generous?
A. Kind.
B. Selfish.
C. Angry.
The answer is A.
Kind.
What does the expression hit the nail on the head mean?
A. To build something.
B. To be exactly correct.
C. To hurt someone.
The correct answer is B.
To be exactly correct.
Example:
Emily hit the nail on the head with her explanation.
choose the correct sentence.
A. Had I known, I would have helped. B. Had I knew, I would have helped. C. Had I known, I would have helped. The answer is A. Had I known, I would have helped.
What does keep an eye on mean?
A. Remove something.
B. Watch carefully.
C. Ignore completely.
The answer is B.
Watch carefully.
Example:
Can you keep an eye on my bag?
What does under the weather mean?
A. Feeling slightly sick.
B. Enjoying the weather.
C. Working outdoors.
The answer is A.
Feeling slightly sick.
Final question.
What does the ball is in your court mean?
A. It's your responsibility to act next.
B.
Play tennis. C. Go to the court building.
The correct answer is A.
It's your responsibility to act next.
Congratulations!
You've completed all 30 questions.
Now, let's calculate your score.
If you scored between 0 and 10,
You're just beginning your English journey.
don't worry.
Every expert was once a beginner,
Keep practicing every day.
and you'll improve quickly.
If you scored between 11 and 20,
Great job!
you have a solid understanding of English.
Your vocabulary and grammar are developing well.
Keep reading.
Keep listening,
Keep speaking.
and you'll reach the next level.
If you scored between 21 and 25,
Excellent work!
your English is strong.
You understand many common expressions and grammar structures.
You're becoming a confident English user.
Keep challenging yourself.
If you scored between 26 and 30,
Outstanding!
that's an amazing result.
You have excellent English skills,
Your English grammar knowledge is strong.
and you're well on your way to fluency.
Wait,
Before you go,
let's do a quick bonus challenge.
answer as fast as you can.
Ready?
What is the opposite of expensive?
Cheap.
What is the past tense of eat?
Ate.
What is the synonym of begin?
Start.
What is the opposite of success?
Failure.
What does give up mean?
Quit.
What is the plural of mouse?
Mice.
What does confident mean?
Believing in yourself.
Excellent!
How many did you answer correctly?
Whether your score was high or low, you learned something today.
That's what matters most.
Every question helps you improve. Every mistake helps you grow.
English isn't about being perfect.
It's about making progress.
The more you practice, the more confident you'll become.
And the more confident you become, the more fluent you'll sound.
Thank you for joining us for today's English quiz.
We hope you had fun.
We hope you learned something new.
And we hope you're feeling more confident about your English.
Tell us your score in the comments.
We would love to know how you did.
If you enjoyed this quiz, give this video a thumbs up.
Share it with your friends and challenge them to beat your score.
And don't forget to subscribe to English with Emily and George.
Turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson.
Keep learning.
Keep practicing.
Keep speaking English every day.
And we'll see you in the next video.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.